Welcome back. In this module, we'll guide you through creating your own Binance account and securing it. Let's lay the groundwork for your trading journey. First, let's set up your Binance account. You'll start by going to the Binance website and clicking Register. You'll need to provide some basic information like your email address and create a strong password. Remember, this account will be your gateway to trading, so security is key. Once you've registered, Binance requires you to verify your identity. This process, known as KYC or Know Your Customer, is a standard practice in the finance industry. You'll need to upload identification documents and possibly a selfie. This step is crucial for the safety and legality of your trading activities. Now let's ensure your account is secure. The first thing you should do is enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Here are some additional tips for keeping your account safe. Never share your password or 2FA codes with anyone. Be cautious of phishing emails or fake websites pretending to be Binance. Regularly monitor your account for any unauthorized activity. Use a unique email address for your Binance account. With your Binance account set up and secured, you're almost ready to start trading. In our next module, we'll explore how to navigate the Binance interface and start your trading journey. Congratulations on setting up and securing your Binance account. You've taken a crucial step towards becoming a savvy Bitcoin trader. Stay tuned for more insights and tips in our upcoming modules.